We're doing a resuturing or a redo. This patient sustained a road traffic accident a few days ago. There was a small pus that was coming out of the wound. We opened the sutures and now we're inspecting inside. We find a small piece there. It's a glass most likely. You can see this, it's tiny, but such a small piece stuck inside the lip is enough for the wound not to heal, and it also causes bad scarring. It's like a pocket. You can see how there's pus there. Wali Okay, we've given an infraorbital nerve block. Oh, there's another piece here. You can see that coming out. So that's the second piece. Just jumped out of the nurse's hands. So one of the nice ways to know if there's any small bits left behind, especially if it's glass, is by feeling it. So by using small instrument like this to try and push it out through the lacerated areas. I think there's another one I can feel. There it is. See that? There's a big one coming out now. That's a third big piece. And this one is really huge. I'm going to look for more of the same place. If we find some small ones. That pocket there seems to be fine now. Okay. Gonna clean up once more. Especially in road traffic accidents, one of the first things you gotta do is thorough debridement, because small pieces, especially glass, is not visible on the scan or on the X-ray as well, and that can cause a problem. Patients, can you give me pickups, please? Okay, I'm gonna see if there's anything still hidden, or if we can proceed and start suturing. That looks like it, but it's just some soft tissue. Alright, I think this is good. You see, this pitting is because of the infection that was there. So give me rapid. Yeah, okay. 360 is also fine. So he had an RTA gent, and then we pulled out many small glass pieces right now.
Oh, okay.
It was sutured elsewhere. He came to us just now and taken out. We took out like 4 size pieces. Sara kaati kudurunga. And then, yeah, can you cut this please?
Rapid vehicle 50.
Yeah. And also he sustained injury to the lower, and also again not sutured well. So open this up and later on replace his teeth as well. Okay.
We are more than halfway.
Perfect. Okay, some more suturing.
Vertex. 30-30 or 50-50
Should be enough.
Not
Just a little bit addition, yeah. Okay, the rest is just straightforward suturing.